In this lesson, you will identify sedimentary rocks and look at different types of weathering. By this time, you've learned about the rock cycle, igneous rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Sedimentary rocks are the last type of rock you will learn about, and by weight, they make up a very small percentage of the geosphere. But most of the rocks on Earth's surface are sedimentary rocks, and if you encounter a rock while hiking or working in the field, it will most likely be a sedimentary rock. The different layers of the Grand Canyon, as you see behind me here, are composed of different sedimentary rocks. Other rocks, and they can be sedimentary, igneous, or metamorphic rocks, are weathered into smaller pieces. You'll learn about the different types of weathering later in this lesson. These sediments are then transported, deposited, and eventually lithified into sedimentary rocks. The environment of deposition, along with the type of sediment, controls what kind of sedimentary rock forms. Sedimentary rocks can tell us a lot about past environments. This is one of the reasons we study sedimentary rocks. Now, in an ideal situation, sedimentary rock layers are flat horizontal layers, just like you see behind me in the Grand Canyon. But often, sedimentary rock layers are somewhat deformed and can be overturned. When this happens, we need to rely on way-up structures to tell us which way was up when the rock layer formed. Some common way-up structures include mud cracks and pillow and flame structures. Here you can see a side view of a mud crack. In this side view, you can see the cracks actually form a V shape, with the top of the V indicating the up position when the sediments were deposited. Here you can see a pillow and flame structure. Pillow and flames form when you have a sandy layer overlying a wet, muddy layer. Some of that mud is injected up into the sandy layer, forming the flames, and some of the sand is forced downward, forming the pillows. So here, the flames point up and the pillows point down. You will work with these and a few other way-up sedimentary structures in this lesson, after you learn how to identify the most common sedimentary rocks.